I will show how to download and install VLC media player in your Windows 11 or 10 system. So firstly, open any web browser. Now type here VLC media player or just type VLC. Open this official link. Now here select your system. So this time we have VLC 3.0.18 for Windows 64-bit. Once you're done, double click on this setup file. Now here click on yes. Again click on OK. Next, then install. Then click on finish. So this way guys, you can download and install VLC media player in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.